This short guide explains how to buy shares of Acurx Pharmaceuticals Inc. on NASDAQ, ticker ACXP. Acurx is a clinical stage pharmaceutical company, and this video is educational only, not financial advice. To buy ACXP, you need a broker account, and I'll use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you must verify your account, usually with an identity document, and add funds before you can place a trade. Use the platform's search field and enter the ticker ACXP to find the listing. Choose the result that identifies Acurx Pharmaceuticals Inc. on NASDAQ to ensure it's the correct stock. Open the asset page to review the basic company information and the price chart, confirming the listing matches Acurx Pharmaceuticals Inc. Check the description and exchange to be sure you have the right ACXP stock. To place an order, click Invest. Enter the amount you want to buy, review the order details, and confirm. If the market is closed, your order may be queued or executed when trading resumes depending on the order type. If you don't have enough funds, the platform will prompt you to add money before completing the trade. After execution, your ACXP position will appear in your portfolio where you can monitor it. A soft CTA, the eToro link, is in the description if you want to explore the platform.